Hello, fellow mamas and friends. Welcome back to another Clean With Me video. This video features some really disorganized and embarrassing even messes. Some from the kids for sure, and some that are entirely on me. There's even a little bit of impromptu shopping involved. So grab yourself a snack, a drink, your broom, whatever you need to help you get motivated, and let's get going. First thing in the morning, I'm starting off with laundry, so I need to strip all of the beds. As you can see, I'm very proud of myself for not having to go around to the other side to get those papers. After that, I will be going into the kids' bedroom to do the same thing, strip their beds, and get all of that laundry started. Now, in preparation for some laundry folding, I'm just going to stick the comforter back on the naked bed. I don't like leaving it completely uncovered while I'm doing the laundry. Usually, the kids are pretty respectful, but you know, they forget sometimes and will run inside all muddy and dirty and then jump on the bed. I'd rather not have that be an extra thing for me to clean up. So just cover it up with the blanket and set myself up to do some folding of all of our clean towels. When it comes to bath towels and linens and things like that, I always just prefer white because it allows me to throw a little bleach in with every load. Now, I know I have a tendency to baby my children by doing things for them, cleaning up after them more often than they clean up after themselves. But the way I see it, they're only young once, and they are learning to help me clean sometimes. It's just usually not when I'm filming. So here I am just taking apart a standalone bathtub that I have because our bathtub is so very short that I would just have to keep turning myself around in the tub in order to stay warm. So I have this nice little portable bathtub that I keep under my bed, and I can easily pull out and fill up whenever I feel like having a nice relaxing grown-up bath in the evenings. For now, I think I am just going to let the music play a little bit and we can enjoy some visuals.
It's all about how you were with my parents, yeah. care and change their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you care, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? 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 Push me away. I wanna stay, baby. Push me away, yeah. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. In my eyes, you made me feel alive. I don't know why you got me needing you. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. Right now I'm living in a daydream. It won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got those feelings. I got feelings, I got feelings, I got these feelings. Those feelings, I got feelings, I got those feelings. Got these feelings.
You guys, I love my bed, and in particular, I love these sheets because they are so cooling. For somebody like me with extra body fat, cooling sheets are such a necessity in the summer. If you have any suggestions for good ones I can replace these with that are cooling, let me know in the comments, please. I am in the market for some new sheets. No microfiber, please. Only cooling fabrics, and definitely looking for something that doesn't wrinkle quite as easily as these ones do. I mean, look at that. And as I'm trying to appreciate my bed, I see this big old mess in the corner. Of course, I go over with the intention of starting a new load, but I cannot do that because the inside of my washer is such a disgusting mess. And if you're wondering how in the heck could this have happened, I just saw you washing stuff. Well, off camera, I tried to wash the runner that I keep at the base of the stairs, and it kind of just fell apart. Yeah, got completely destroyed. And then once I pulled back a bit and started looking at the rest of the appliance, I was like, ooh, yeah, this needs a deep clean, real bad. So I am starting out with some bleach, throwing that in there. I absolutely suggest that anyone who does this wears gloves. I don't know what I was thinking, but I did not wear any gloves throughout this. I also sprayed down inside and out of both appliances with some Greenworks natural all-purpose cleaner. and start scrubbing as hard and as fast as I can in every little nook and cranny.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten.
Now that I have wiped down all of the nastiness, it's time to run a clean washer cycle. While that was running, I was able to get a couple of other things cleaned up, wiping down the dryer as well as changing the garbage and just kind of organizing all of my laundry products on the shelf. So now that I've done just about all I can do for the outside of the appliances, I am going to leave the clean washer cycle to do its job and head on over to Walmart, where I need to pick up a new runner to replace the one that I completely destroyed earlier today. So let's go.
Say goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Back home now, I have put down the runner. It's looking great. It's gonna do its job when the kids are running in and out of the house. Wiped down the inside of the now completely clean washer. My washer and dryer are looking lovely, by the way, and it got no break. As soon as I saw that it was nice and clean, I got right back to doing that laundry that I had waiting.